Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Are you Theodore Brisco?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Brisco, in cause number 234535 is on probation for evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And in 236055 on probation for possession of a controlled substance.
Yes.
Motions to revoke those probation have been filed. Mr. Parker?
Oh, right here. Things are starting to unravel for Theodore Brisco. He's not facing just one, but two motions to revoke probation, which basically means the court's ready to pull the plug on his second chance. Remember, probation is like walking a tightrope. One wrong step, and you're right back behind bars. And the twist? One of these new charges hasn't even been officially filed yet. So he's standing in court defending himself against something that's technically not even a case yet. Imagine that pressure.
Announcement.
Your Honor, just for the record, I went to see him at the jail, and they told me he wasn't at the jail.
Oh,
So I didn't get to visit him, and
Okay.
he was here. I got to visit him this morning. I think I told him that the court would probably give us more time to go over it if we wanted to, but I think we just need to go through the motion without an agreement. I think he understands that. Also, there's a drug charge that hasn't been filed yet, just for the court's knowledge.
and so, Mr. Brisco, we can go through those motions today, get pleas of true or not true, or I can reset your case just a few weeks if you need more time to visit with Mr. Parker since he, okay. So let me get that pulled up.
And they're the same violations on both cases, Judge.
Can I get 36055 printed, please? Oh, no, that's okay. I gotta make marks on it. Thank you. It's just hard to do when I do them both on the computer. All right, in each of these cases that we've talked about, Mr. Brisco, I have motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. In 20-34535, the motion shows that you were placed on.
Okay, notice how Brisco says not true to some counts but admits others. That's strategic. He's accepting blame for what's provable, but pushing back where he thinks there's wiggle room. It's a smart move in revocation hearings, but risky. Because once the court finds even one violation true, they can still revoke your probation entirely. This is one of those moments where the judge's tone, her patience, and how Brisco carries himself could change everything. Do you think honesty
Probation,
helps
March
you?
15th
Or just
of
hands the state
2021
more?
for the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And in cause number 20-36055, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation March 15th of 2021 for the third-degree felony offense of possession of a controlled substance, and that was also a 5-year deferred probation. Is that also correct? Each of these motions allege that you violated your probation. Count 1 in each of the motions alleges that you committed the new offense of possession of a controlled substance January 5th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas. And is that true or not true? Count 2 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member January 5th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 3 alleges that you committed the offense of the new interference with an emergency request for assistance January 5th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. And is that true or not true?
That's true.
And count 6 in each case alleges that you were behind in your court-assessed fees. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 1, 4, and 5 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? All right, then I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 4, and 5 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your case for sentencing. Mr. Nichols, does witnesses for either of those cases?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll have to call witnesses to prove up the two that
Sure.
are not true too.
Do you anticipate that taking?
And now, hold on, we shift from a probation hearing to something way heavier. A murder charge. Terry Rose steps up, and before anything else, the court has to confirm he's mentally competent to stand trial. That's huge. If a defendant can't understand what's happening or can't help their attorney, the law says they can't be tried, at least not yet. But in this case, the evaluation says he's competent, which means it's game on. You can feel the courtroom tone change instantly from procedural to life or death. Serious.
In longer than an hour or so?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll just set it maybe at 11 on a regular docket day. I will ask probation to do an updated pre-sentence report. Mr. Brisco, obviously anything that you think is important for me to know, make sure and get that information to Mr. Parker. He will present it to me on your behalf when we come back.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you back at sentence. Yes, it's unagreed. God bless you.